Beef. Maybe it shouldn't be what's for dinner. Fruitland American Meat in Jackson, Missouri has recalled more than 4,000 pounds of beef over concerns of possible mad cow disease.
Fruitland American Meat is defending itself, saying the finding is based on a clerical error.
During a review of the company's slaughter logs, the USDA says it discovered a portion of the dorsal root ganglia, which are branches of the nervous system located in the spine of the cattle, were not fully removed. It is considered to be specific risk material that could carry infective agents. According to the USDA, the problem may have occurred as a result of the way some company employees were recording information and determining the age of various cattle. Dorsal root ganglia must be removed from cattle 30 months of age and older. This is a Class 2 recall, meaning there is a remote possibility of harmful health effects. So far, no cases of mad cow disease from this incident have been reported, and Missouri health officials are working to make sure all tainted meat is disposed of.
Fruitland America produced the beef from last September to April, and they sent it to Whole Foods Distribution Center in Connecticut and 2 restaurants in New York and Kansas City.
People can contract the potentially deadly disease by consuming the diseased beef. According to WebMD, the disease can be hard to diagnose in humans. Symptoms include issues with the nervous system, like loss of coordination, depression, and dementia. It's usually fatal within 13 months. Fruitland American Meat has reportedly warned its customers and told them to destroy the beef. For Newsy, I'm Jasmine Bailey.